Hey everyone, so I'm very much excited that you are learning something valuable information about the software testing. So in this sessions, we are going to discuss more in detail about the Scrum model. So Scrum is basically a management framework for incremental development using one or more cross-functional self-organizing teams of about 7 people each. So in a simple words, each Scrum team should have at least 7 people and not more than 7 people. Sometimes they can be the 10 people or the 15 people now. But the ideal size will be the 7 people team. And it provides and structure roles. And in the Scrum model, there are some roles like meeting rules, and there are some artifacts which we need to ensure the decorum of the Scrum model. And Scrum uses basically the fixed length iteration. This is one of the most important point, guys, you need to understand. Like each and every called as the sprints. So sprints are basically typically the time duration for each and every sprint will come under the umbrella of 1 to 2 weeks and not more than 30 days. So 2 weeks you are targeting certain deliverables, you are targeting certain tasks, and you as a testing team, development team, designing team, and all the stakeholders who are the part of the Scrum team, they need to ensure that within this time framework, the 2 weeks and the 30 days, you need to deliver the certain modules in front of your customers. And Scrum team attempts to build the potentially shippable, properly tested product in front of incremental way in your clients. So customer will be happy, they will be getting the information, they will be getting their product and services, and they no need to wait for the longer period of time now. So this is the typical model of the Scrum, and this is the customer. You can see in front of you, they have some vision, they are sharing requirements, and we are archiving all the customer requirements in our backlog. So which is called in a technical way as the product backlog. And in the product backlog, there are different modules. Let's say in a customer said that I need to develop the e-commerce website, and on those e-commerce requirements, we archiving in our system. And after all the functionality, let's say we are picking 5 functionalities requirements from the backlog, and this is the Scrum team in which the developers, the designers, the product owner, this is the product owner in a technical word. This is the guy who is called as the project manager, but in Scrum we are talk about this guy as a product Scrum Master. And the testers are also be the part of this team, and they are work together and planning the sprint. Once they completed the task within a 2 weeks or the 30 days, then they will plan for the another backlog item. So they selected another 5 items, and this is the continuous process will be goes on. And whatever the task they are completed now, so every 24 or they are meeting together each and every day in early morning, and they are discussing what we did yesterday, what we are going to do today, and what are the challenges if we are facing, so how we can needs to overcome all these challenges now. And this is all the way they are conducting the formal meetings, and this is also the iterative process are going for the daily basis. And this is the way that after the 2 weeks they will be delivering the results in front of the customers, and customer will review and they will be happy. And at the end there will be the retrospective meeting conduct. And the retrospective meeting, basically the Scrum Master, this is the Scrum Master who will be conducting and ensuring that what we have learned for this sprint and what are the things we need to improve for our next sprints now. So the continuous process improvement will be the part of your retrospective meeting. So I hope you will be getting the clear cut idea about the Scrum model. Thank you very much for watching this session.